head pastor of Jesus Reigns Ministries churches all over North America, asked Pastor Tim to let the family help and push through the church planting in Saskatoon. May 31, 2016, the church was birthed. Jesus Reigns Ministries, Saskatoon. The first Sunday service was solely a prayer service to dedicate and entrust the church to God. There were 11 people attended. During the first 4 months, the Morillo Gamaliel residents served as a house church. Pastor Mark Awao visited the church month of July and conducted leadership and discipleship trainings among the members. And then on September 4, 2015, Brother Ricky Gamila was installed as a leader of the church and would take pastoral position upon Pastor Mark's absence. September 13, 2015, the church moved here in Cosmos Civic Center, and our church services were either held in the center's meeting room A and B, and here in Combative, and later on conducted a Combative room regularly. To help in establishing the church, Pastor Edwin Lasqueti of Jesus Reigns Nava, Philippines, was requested to stay in the country for 4 months. The church conducted many events and activities that cater the wholeness of its members. Mother and Father celebration, baby dedication, Thanksgiving, Christmas party, retreat, mission, evangelism, tracts distribution, baptism, and camping. Since that humble beginning, the church was blessed with people that truly helped the ministry as months go by. With God and in His ministry, the best is yet to come. And it says in the Bible verse,